Hey everyone, how y'all doing today? Today we're unboxing an Oris. This is going to be an Oris aviation watch. This is the Oris 40th Squadron limited edition watch. There you go, the little booklet that comes with it. This is a little bit of a small booklet. It's only basically a brochure compared to some of the other Oris booklets. And there's a picture of the watch. Very handsome watch. Can't wait to see this here in person. So this watch is the first watch made in partnership between the 40th Squadron and Oris. The 40th Squadron is Belgian Air Force's iconic rescue team, and you can see their crest or logo. They've been doing this since 1974, the Belgian Air Force 40th Squadron, and they operate a fleet of Augusta Westland Sea King helicopters, and this watch is limited to 500 pieces. And taking it out of the box here, really cool looking watch, very heavy on the aviation styling, and looks very military. So here we go. There's the logo or the crest of the 40th Squadron on the back. Looks really cool. The strap, I like the red underneath. It just gives it that cool pop of color, little details that, in the finishing of the watch, that just makes it very neat and fun to own. And the red, matches there on the second hand. You got that little red at the tip, and you got a couple of the minute indicators with the red, and the color is kind of like a cream, almost a manila color for the numbers, and a little lighter version of it for the hands. You might look at the watch and think it's an unusual color scheme, but the color scheme is actually inspired by the helicopters of the 40th Squadron, and it's a cool way to tie in the 40th Squadron into this Big Crown ProPilot. And I think that makes it a little more unusual than your average Big Crown ProPilot or your average aviation style watch. The coloring makes it cool, gives it a different look. Things like the red under the strap and the red on the second hand, just little things like this kind of complement the watch. The model number for this watch is 01752-7698-4274-SET-TS. And here you can see it on my wrist. This is a I believe it's a 45 millimeter watch, and you can see just a great looking watch. It's something that'll get noticed. Just looks cool. The watch is, of course, like all Oris watches, an automatic watch, and we'll take it in the dark here. This is my only complaint about the watch. The glow in the dark is barely visible. It's better than you see it here in the video, but great watch overall. Thank you. Have a good one.